Hi guys. It's a beautiful day out, and I checked the weather just to make sure that it was going to be nice, and it said it was going to be sunny today, no clouds, and it was going to be, the high was going to be 82 today. So I stumbled across this park. I wasn't trying to come to this park in particular, but I decided to stop by here on my way to this other park that I'm headed to. It's really nice. They said it wasn't going to be any clouds today, but I see clouds. So you guys can see a lot of people are out in the park, walking, working out. It's my first time at this park though. Let's see. Let's go this way. How y'all doing? Put some body butter on my face. Oh, this is like a stage there. Different. Let me know if this is coming in clear, y'all, because before I was under a different account and it was choppy, so I'm trying something different. Oh, I love to see everybody out working. Health first. You gonna go this way? They have a dog park out here? Hey, don't, no. Squirrel. Yeah, I have this weird relationship with squirrels. I'm afraid of squirrels, y'all. Don't tell nobody that. But I am afraid. They be looking so weird and they can jump up on you. Man, I don't need a squirrel to jump up on me. They have a dog park? Okay. I guess it goes like all the way around. Okay, so they have a playground open. Yay! They're starting to reopen things, guys. Yay! Look. It was closed and now it is open. And I heard that they're reopening in New York City, I think June 8th. It's a dog park. June 8th, June 9th. So that's progress. But I heard it's only for phase 1. So guess we can't get too excited because it's only for phase 1. Which I was told it was just like restaurants for pickup, construction sites or something, like non-relevant to what I'm really interested in. I'm like, I would hope that they would reopen. What's up, Mike Love? Which country am I? Come on, you don't know where I'm at? I'm the greatest country in the world. Greatest city in the world. Or at least the greatest city in my country. You should take a guess. My page says where I'm located. But the things that are important to me, like going to restaurants, sitting down and eating at restaurants, like that is my favorite, one of my favorite pastimes, you guys. So I let New York City know that I would really love for them to reopen these restaurants for dining. And also, I will hope that they can reopen the theaters, because that was one of my favorite pastimes too, going to the movies. What I got going on over here? I always got some shit going on. And what else? Wait, I can't go that way? No wonder it was telling me like go left, go right, go left. I'm trying to figure out like why is it telling me go left, go right, go left, go right? So can we go this way? Oh yeah, and comedy clubs too. I was hoping that they reopen comedy clubs. We can't go this way, huh?
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's happening?
With the protests and everything going on.
Oh, I didn't know there were protests in Brooklyn.
Oh, yeah.
There's nationwide, I guess. No, I'm serious.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
I saw them in LA and different other places, but I didn't know that they touched down here. Okay. Thank you.
Still around the clock.
Okay.
Take care.
You too. Take it easy. Hi, Fred. Hugs, Fred. I wish I could give you a big hug. I got your message, and I think we all are feeling not so well. Parts of me, I don't feel well either. I feel sad sometimes and drained, but we gotta keep going, you know? So I'm gonna give you a call. I just was getting out the shower when you messaged me, and I'm on my walk. So I'm definitely gonna hit you up when I get done with my walk. But you can tune in. Feel free to watch. So they got that blocked off because of the protest. She was like, "Are you serious?" I'm serious. I know what's happening. Listen, I know what's happening in our country. I know about the George Floyd murder. People say, "Oh, he died. He got murdered." I know about that. But the story is still developing, right? So we know that there were protests where he got murdered. And then other protests started to pop up, like different cities across. But I didn't know it touched down like right here, like in my neighborhood, like right here in my neighborhood, which is good. You know? Do your thing. So they say he working around the clock. That police officer say, "I'm working around the clock, baby." So they got them on duty. But these are some really nice brownstones. Everybody, I feel like there's enough of us to take on different positions. Everybody may not be on the front lines, rioting or protesting with the guns, you know. Everybody may not do that. We all have different roles. They're different parts of the body. But we all still make up the same body at the end of the day. So it's a concerted effort. Ooh, mind your business. Okay then. But the important thing, you know, especially for me, I have to say this, as a person who works in mental health, self-care is important, guys. Yes, we are supposed to be mad. But to me, I think a lot of it is sensationalism, emotionalism, people getting riled up because they see other people getting riled up. You know, so it's like monkey see, monkey do. When otherwise they wouldn't have gotten riled up. I mean, people get murdered and killed all the time. Black people get murdered and killed all the time. What makes this so special? Because it made the news. Hi. Hello. Do you know if the Brooklyn main library is this way?
The library?
The Brooklyn, you know what I'm talking about? The main library? The big one near the park, near Prospect Park?
Sorry.
You don't know? Okay. Maybe she knows. You know if the park is this way?
The park?
The Prospect Park. Because they got it blocked off. They got the street blocked off right there.
Prospect Park?
Yeah.
Prospect Park is not, it's far from here.
I know it's like 2 miles, but I'm willing to walk. So just keep going straight down, huh? Okay.
Yeah. It's going down Franklin Avenue.
Down Franklin?
Yeah.
Okay.
But as long as you keep going straight.
Just keep going straight? Okay. They said they got protests going on in the neighborhood.
I know they had one going on yesterday, but there are some going on.
It's still going on.
Yeah.
All right. Take care. All right, y'all. We in this thing. You know, protest is, like they say, is the language of the unheard. So we can make our voices heard. But we got to keep the ball rolling. Because the pattern within this country, especially when you see in the black community, is that somebody gets murdered by the police, there's protests, and then y'all go right back to shaking y'all ass doing TikTok videos. So we got to take it seriously. Be consistent. You know? I don't think they got that entire street blocked off. Wait, what is that? Or do they? Let's see. She said the best way to go is this way. She was like, oh, that's far. Oh, baby, I know. Think about me, girl. I don't mind walking. I be walking. I be getting it in. Yeah, I did start my freeform locks. I just haven't pulled up. Ponytail. Alright. I might have to get off this live for a second so I can make sure that I'm headed in the right direction. I don't burn out my battery because going live tends to burn out your battery. Y'all can say what y'all want. I'm just not of that persuasion. We're going to take action, need to take action. There's really not much you can do. Situations like that. We are overpowered by the system, y'all. It's just the truth of the matter. The system got too far gone, and we all play a role in white supremacy, whether we want to believe it or not. Hold up. Hold it. So what are we fighting against? You're fighting against the system that you play an active role in. When you clock in to work and go to your job to make this money for the white man, you're playing a role in it. But it's good though. I guess some people might feel like they're doing something. Like they're important. They're taking an active role, I guess. So protesting makes some people feel like important. It makes them feel like they're living a purpose. But like I said, self-care. And sometimes things that we do, things that we can do to make a difference, don't need to be televised. You don't have to do it in a public eye. You can do it and nobody knows about it. Nobody has to know about it. And that's how I move. I like to move like that. Oh, I don't like moving very much. Do things and nobody knows about it, you know? Everybody ain't gonna know you're gonna go protest or do this and do that. And some people going live saying, oh, let's pull together some black people and let's go start shooting and killing white cops. And baby, if you was doing that, you would do that. You ain't gotta go on live and talk about it. You gotta know how to move. People don't know how to move. People don't know how to move. So this is the other side of where I was just coming from. But I'm gonna go this way. She's like, oh, that's a long way, baby. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. For this long walk. Maybe on the way back, I might catch some protests. But I'm about to make sure I'm going in the right direction. I will catch you guys later. I just wanted to stop at that little small mini park. I thought it was cute. It's not that far from where I'm at right now. And next week, I'm going to take you guys with me to Harlem. Catch you guys later. I love you guys. Come back in maybe 15, 20 minutes. I'm going to go live again. All right. Whew.